Hey there, my name is Dhruvi, and today I'm going to be taking you on a tour of the Jones Soda Company's website, and I'm going to be talking about how effective this website is as the company's marketing tool, and I will be talking about the 4 P's of marketing. Okay, so firstly, this is the cover page of the website, and you can see how there's the company name on the top, the Explore section, which brings you to the other pages of the website, and then there is the mini cart option, which I'll be talking about what you use for later, and then there is a big picture of their product, and you can see how they have different types of promotional items or locations of their company's stores. And these are more locations that um, that are of this company and where their bricks and mortar exactly are. And then they have the email where you can sign up to. They have their Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube pages, which you can follow or subscribe. And yeah. Okay, so their products page. So that was the cover page. Moving on to the products page. Here's where you'll find all of their products and what they sell. So you can see they sell different types of soda. They also sell their, I believe these are their merches. So they have they have their name printed on the t-shirt and they sell it as, I think, one of the promotional items. And then there's a gift card that is also available for this company. They sell candy, they sell mints. These are very similar to the Eclipse mint that we see in Hong Kong. And I think it is very cool of them to sell these types of mint because I believe they're very popular in Hong Kong. And then more of their merches, they sell hoodies, black t-shirts, sweatshirts. They also sell lip balm, and this is green apple flavor. Currently it is sold out, but and then more of sodas. And so you can see that they sell a lot of products and they're very um, easy to use and they're very um, new and newly introduced to the market. Moving on to the shopping online page. Now, this personally, as a consumer's point of view, I find this very, very useful because other stores, there are other stores that sell their products online. For example, makeup companies like Maybelline, they do sell their products online on like Amazon or Taobao, but having the shop online in the company's website itself is what I believe is the most convenient for the customers because then they don't have to go on Amazon and like type the product they want, and then maybe sometimes Amazon brings the right options, but sometimes it doesn't. So I believe it is very convenient for consumers to have the shop online page within the company's website itself. So these are again the products that they sell online. You can see how they have the sugar sodas, which was the same thing on on the products page. The gift card, uh, more soda, and they do not sell. Oh, there's a mystery grab bag, which I believe is like maybe you have like a combination of Jones Soda Company's products within this bag, and it's like for $36. And then you also have these options of, so like they have divided it into different products. So they have their best selling, their caffeine free products, their cane sugar soda, the cans. Oh, My Jones. Oh, they have this thing where you can click and you can customize this soda bottle. sugar-free sodas, Jones Gear. So these are all the merches that the merches and the extra promotional items they sell. And then they have the candies. Moving on to their About Us page. So this talks more about who they are as a company, how they started, and how they've established their business since their beginning. And it is divided into years. So this is the first year they started, I believe. And then they have these little descriptions of what happened in each year of these this timeline. So that is really cool, and it is very well organized because it's very easy to read and follow, and it has cool pictures attached with it, which might grab a person's attention. And then they have their investor relations. So these are, I believe, who companies who invest in them. So they have their board of directors, their corporate governance, their media, so official press releases, and then their financial information and their contact of their IR. And then this is, I believe, the recent happenings of this. So the recent updates of what's happening with this company, and like more of like the financial aspect of the business of what's really going on and coming in and coming out of the business. And yeah. And then they have their contact us page where you can send them an email, type your question, or just any customer feedback or any questions you generally have about the website. Now I'm going to talk about the 4 P's of marketing. So before I talk about it, let's just recall that the 4 P's are product, place, price, and promotion. And the way Jones Soda Company uses them is very effective on this website, and I'm going to bring you through how they use it. So the first P, product. So as we all know, product is a physical item that is a physical item or a service that is introduced to the market to satisfy customers' needs and wants. So their product is obviously all of these, as you can see. Their sodas, their their merches, their gift cards, their candies, and their lip balms, and everything they sell over here is a product because it is a tangible item that they're selling to their audience. Next, price. Price is also along with the product name. So as you can see below every product name, it has a price, and below each price, it has a review of what people think. So like for, let's say, for the 12-pack Jones Blue bubblegum cane sugar soda, so this is the product, and then the price is that they sell one soda bottle for they sell 12 packs for $35.99. And beware that this currency is in USD, so it is not Hong Kong dollars. And for this product, the reviews, they have 20 reviews so far, and 20 people have voted for an approximate of 4.5 out of 5 stars. So this is their product and price. Moving on to their place. So their place was were a lot of locations. So this is where they sell it. So they have 7-Eleven, which is, I believe, in Hong Kong, Albertsons, Safeway, Kroger, Stater Bros, and Walmart. And as you know, that all of these may be very familiar to you because they're very well-known supermarkets or convenience stores where you would typically sell this type of product. Moving on to their promotion. So promotion is also within their products section, their products page. And it is basically all of these. I'm not too sure, but I I believe that their merches, so all of these t-shirts, hoodies they sell, are part of their promotional items because it is not their, because I've seen many companies and YouTubers have like, once they become like very popular, they bring out a merch which typically has their company name on it or something related to what they usually sell or say on channels, and they have that as an extra promotional item, which I believe is the same case for this company. And then they have their gift card, which is also a very direct promotional item because many companies have loyalty cards, membership cards, and stuff like that. So gift card is Jones Soda Company's promotional items. And that was all for the 4 P's of marketing. So you can see how Jones Soda really uses the product, price, place, and promotion very effectively on their website. And personally, my opinion on this website is that this was a very effective tool of marketing because as I scroll through the website, if I were a new consumer, which I am, I've never seen this website before, I've never heard of this company before. This was my first time using this website, and it was very easy to navigate. And the fact that I was able to explain it with such detail, even if it was my first time using this website, is a very great first experience for me. And as a consumer, I would definitely want to purchase their products. Although I've never heard of them, but since they say that they sell it at 7-Eleven, I might as well go check it out because I've never seen this. Maybe I might have seen it, but I've always maybe overlooked this company company's product in 7-Eleven. So this really wants me to go look out and try their soda. And it was a very effective it was very effectively used for their marketing purposes because they had all of their information very well organized and they used all of their 4 P's of marketing. Moreover, they also had the shop online, which I believe was a very convenient option the for their consumers, or especially people who have never heard of this company and are visiting this website for the first time. So all in all, this company has used their website very effectively to advertise themselves out to their target audience. Moreover, the company itself looks very organized and responsible because they have all of their information. So they have their investor relations, they have their About Us page, which tells their consumers more about who they are. And I believe all of these qualities is what makes this company so successful and popular. So, oh, and also I believe that this is an effective tool, a marketing tool, because nowadays everything is very technology based. So the fact that they have created a website is really helpful for their target audience because first, it is very easy to access to the website. You just type in their company's name and you can access to their website. And also because it is also very, I believe, convenient for their target audience because if posting posters around and all of that is effective, but creating a website, this is something you can visit to anytime and anywhere you are. And you can, even if you want to shop online, you can easily access to this website, go to their shop online section and buy a few things, which I believe is very convenient. So this website is a very good use, and it is very easy to follow, and this company is also a very good company. So that was all for the introduction of my Jones Soda company. I hope you liked the introduction, and if I've missed something, if you feel that I've missed something, please feel free to tell me and give me comments on the video. Thank you.